This is wild. Scientists just created a quantum signal that powers itself. No batteries, no cables. Here's how they did it. In a mind-blowing experiment, researchers used diamonds with tiny atomic defects, called nitrogen vacancy centers, inside a special microwave chamber. Normally, quantum particles lose energy fast, but here, they teamed up, sending out bursts of microwaves all on their own. Even cooler? The system kept going, firing off new pulses over and over, thanks to the way these particles interact. This flips what we thought we knew about quantum physics, turning chaos into a super steady, self-powered signal. We're talking game-changing tech for quantum communications, new sensors, even medical imaging. The quantum future just got a serious upgrade. More info, visit our website, Computer Scientists Awards, computerscientists.net. Nomination open now. Subscribe for more videos.